Dear friends, let's take a look at the submachine gun that was recently introduced into the market by Kalashnikov Group. It's a 9x19mm power PPK-20 submachine gun, and it's a pretty interesting weapon. All Kalashnikov weapons are created in tight cooperation with the Russian Ministry of Defense and the law enforcement agencies. The requirements for this weapon initially were pretty strict. It was meant as a personal defense weapon for the combat pilots and had to fit into their personal emergency kit. As you can see, it has a very tight package. The length of the gun with folded stock and without suppressor is less than 48 cm. It weighs less than 3 kg. The stock falls to the right, so it fits within the length of the charging handle to take as small space as possible. Even with a quick detached suppressor, it remains a compact weapon. The total length is about 80 cm. The PPK-20 was based on the Vityaz-SN SMG, designed for special and law enforcement forces. But it has a number of new features, as well as improved ergonomics. It has a Picatinny-type rail interface system with Picatinny rails on the top and one on the bottom. The M-lock here on the handguard is a good decision to reduce weight and add ventilation to the system. You can attach Picatinny rails here only when you need them. More convenient the one where you have quad rails here by default. The pistol grip is a one unit with a trigger guard, and it gives you a really nice hold up on the gun. It has ambidextrous firing controls, easily operated by one finger, so you can control it and your hand remains on the handle. Just take a look here. There is a tube here. It looks like a gas tube, but it's not. It's only for lining the bolt. On Vityaz or Vityaz-SN, the tube inside of here was attached to the barrel. Here there is no connection between the tube and the barrel, so it doesn't affect the shooting processes. The effective range is 50 meters, while it remains accurate and effective within 200 meters. It can fire the whole range of 9x19 rounds, including 7 and 21 armour-piercing ammunition. 7 and 21, apart from the PPK-20, can penetrate NAJ-3A armor vest. The shooter feels all the care of the designers endowed in this weapon. Look how the cases are extracted when firing with the folded stock. It delivers high rate of fire, 800 rounds per minute. So with the armor-piercing rounds, it has incredible stopping power and density of fire. The swivel are in the right place on the gun, where it ensures getting the gun at the ready on the move. The PPK-20 is the right choice for special forces who need a short, easy-to-handle submachine gun. It is well suited for close quarters battles, when people have to fight indoors and run around corridors. Thanks to its compact layout, the PPK-20 will suit combat vehicle crews. Its ergonomics, reliability and accuracy really makes an impression. You usually don't expect much accuracy from a submachine gun, especially of such compact design and small weight. The K-12 type free-floating barrel is a unique feature for a submachine gun, augmented with reliability of Kalashnikov gas operating scheme. The quick detachable suppressor gives maintenance with no stress. It incorporates the ballistics and the firepower of a full-size assault rifle in a very compact design. Let us know if you want to have any additional information on the PPK-20 by sending us a request for information on your company's letterhead. Stay with us and don't forget to like this video.